Hi, today we're going to talk to you about Speed Queen laundry, specifically dryers, and why you might want to choose one for your next dryer. So here we're looking at a Speed Queen. This is the DC5 series. As you can tell, they're a very simple design, and that's kind of their appeal to a lot of our customers. Simplistic, they're built well, they're built here in the States, and they have a history of being a commercial grade product. So you will find Speed Queen in a lot of laundromats, and they've really brought that to your home. So you're going to have general 7 cubic foot capacity, which is an ample capacity for doing laundry for a family. If you take a look on the inside here, you're going to have a full stainless steel drum, and nothing too crazy happening in there. You know, you don't have to worry about steam or anything on this particular model, but if you do want some of those features, they do have some models that will offer steam and a little bit more advanced options. But the thing with these, I think that really stands out is the lifespan. Speed Queen will advertise a 25-year lifespan on their product. However, this particular unit has a 5-year warranty as compared to most brands being on the market at 1. Or even if we were to scroll down a little bit, the fancy black set right there, that one gives you a 7-year manufacturer warranty. So just in comparison, you can see you don't have to go super simple, but even their complex ones, pretty easy to navigate. Just hit your presets, start, and it runs. So I guess in recap, Speed Queen, simple, effective, lasts a long time, built here in the States, longer warranty than anybody else.